Hello, everybody. So earlier today, and it's kind of late right now. I don't know what time you get this in the morning, and by the time you get it, chances are I will already be on a plane on the way to Seattle. So that Tuesday morning, I can get on the boat. I don't know that I will be able to post anything. Because of the boat, being on the boat, and the internet's bad. But before I left, I did want to say I hope everybody has a good week while I'm gone. And let me share my Anna Griffin monthly craft kit with you. Oh, so this is going to be Father's Day. I can already see that that's what it is. So I'm kind of hoping that it's not what I think. Because to be honest, see, I'm getting a little tired of getting just framed eyes with something in the middle. It's, if it was something, that would be different, but just for it to be a shape, seeing that's all it is. So I don't know that I'm going to keep getting this subscription. I don't know, but I mean, I love it, but every month is it going to be the same thing? Let's take a look. So, it's men's stuff, the hats, the trains, the dogs, the hunting dogs, the glasses, things. You've kind of seen this before, right? That's a little different. Shoes and stars. Look at that. My dad used to work for the railroad when I was a kid, so I do always associate trains with my dad. Okay. Jacket, vest, a watch, and pipes. My dad used to smoke a pipe. A globe. He had my grandpa's old corncob pipe. Lasted a long time. I don't even know what happened to it. I heard that he had given it to my brother, but my brother never said that. And my brother's gone now, and so I don't know. But here we go. Here's the dog. See, just like a hunting dog. Kind of dog. Oh. Duck stuff on there. Okay, these glasses are not supposed to go with that. Here's a trophy. It's kind of different the way she hooked everything together, right? I like that. I appreciate that. Right? Top hat. Isn't that called a bowler? Compass. Okay. That's most of that. this over here. We have gold pieces, but there were gold pieces in there too. I don't know what's in here. Flourishes and such. So flourishes, flourishes, flourishes. Stars. Okay. All right. Now, let's see, did we get anything that says Happy Father's Day or not? I see thank you, congratulations, thinking of you. Here's some Happy Father's Day. The world's greatest husband. Okay. And birthday wishes. Okay, the inserts. Happy birthday to you and many more. Your kindness means so much to me. Wishing you a happy Father's Day. Wishing you great success. This would have been nice to have yesterday. You are in my thoughts. You are so special to me. Okay. And envelopes. Recording. Card blanks. So we have this one. And, oh, what is the next? Let's look. Let's take this off because that was different. All right, map. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay. Men's clothes. Tailor diagram, I guess. Ooh, what is that? Whoa. That's crazy, right? Oof. Okay, paisley. Definitely a paisley pattern. And then brown. It looks like that fabric. Let's see if the paper looks the same as that. So this one certainly does. So certainly some of it does. There's the map. I'm wondering about that wild one. The Taylor diagrams. It's there, look. Ooh. I'm not a fan. Definitely not a fan of that. Okay, love this one. This is good for men, women, everybody. And the fabric. And that is it for this kit. So when I get back, we will use it. We will also do the flip watercolor that I got from Crafter's Companion. I can also show you, I can show you now. These are that one I messed up. What I made it. Craft go round or whatever. So these, I think I'm going to punch some holes and use some ribbon to tie it. And then there should have been 2 of these smaller ones, I think. Oh, that's what this is. So I have to finish this one. Yeah, this one needs to be finished. This one is a larger one of these finished. This one is a pad holder, post-it note pad holder with the belly band closure. And I didn't finish the class. I had to go do my grandson's graduation. So here's a self-closing box. It might be stuck. So, because I did have to glue something, I don't remember what. So there. So the wet glue. But if you look, this is what it actually is. And so, when you fold it up, it does this and this. And I won't show how it's made because Mimi sells the video right to class, and that's part of her profits, and I wouldn't want to take away from that. Besides, it's her thing, her artistic material stuff, I guess, is what I would say. So, I showed you what I did, but I won't be showing how to make these. We have made these before. We might even have made these before. I'm not sure about that. If I made that in a video or not. Maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, you would have to look and see. But anyways, I won't be showing how to make any of that. There's 8 projects altogether, and I haven't done all of them, so that was the main make it go round. I think that's it. So, cruise to Alaska. We fly out tomorrow. We go to Seattle. Tuesday, we board the boat, the cruise ship, and off we go for 7 days. So, a week from Tuesday, we'll get back into port in Seattle. Same day we're flying back. So, I might do a video on that day. I might just send you something from the cruise. I will try to video portions of the cruise or whatever that I can to just to give you a little look. But well, my understanding is we can't do it while we're on a boat unless we pay a fortune. And so when I'm in ports, I can try there and see how it works. So we'll see. All right, everybody, if you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me. I hope you join me again. Everybody have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.